Don't say, I didn't went there. Say this, I didn't go there. Don't say, she don't like tea. Say this, she doesn't like tea. Don't say, he didn't eat food. Say this, he didn't eat food. Don't say, my brother is elder than me. Say this, my brother is older than me. Don't say, he have a car. Say this, he has a car. Don't say, close the fan. Say this, turn off the fan. Don't say, open the light. Say this, turn on the light. Don't say, discuss about this. Say this, discuss this. Don't say, I am coming in 5 minutes. Say this, I will come in 5 minutes. Follow for more videos.